Does every melody you write sound cheesy as fuck? That was my issue when I started producing. And every time someone is trying to explain to me music theory, this is how I felt. But this is what no one is telling you. Your melodies don't sound bad because you don't know music theory. They sound bad because you're starting from the wrong place. Before I show you this shortcut, you need to understand this one thing. A good melody isn't about scales and theory. A good melody is simply a repeating shape with a clear pattern broken into short, memorable phrases. Now, this is where most producers just waste hours, including myself when I started producing. So, when I started producing, I sat in the studio trying to invent a melody from scratch, inventing the wheel, when the world is already full of great melodies that worked perfectly. So, instead of guessing, we're going to borrow the shape, but not the melody itself. So, this is the fastest way of doing it. So, step 1, take a track you love. Step 2, split the stems with an AI. In this case, I use the stem splitter in Ableton. You can take a melody or a bass line, for example this, slice it and drop it into a MIDI track. Then click on harmony, melody or drums. In this case, I would choose melody. And what you're looking at right now isn't the melody. It's the shape and rhythm of a proven idea. Now, the next step is crucial. You must change this. You can't just use it as it is. So what you can do is a couple of things. You can transpose it. So you can change the octave, or you can put it in the key of your track. Then you can change the position of your notes, for example. You can use only one phrase and just loop that. Start of a new idea. In this case, I came up with this melody. Same shape, completely different feeling. And no one will ever know where it came from. I teach this exact approach to all of my clients, including the ones that know music theory way better than me. Because even with theory, this is way faster and gets great results every single time. But even the best melody falls apart if everything around it isn't working. So in the next video, I will show you my system for turning basic drum patterns into something that actually moves people on the dance floor. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.